I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bit Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Now search and select OneDrive. To get client ID and secret, please visit Azure portal. Now click on Register an application. Name Bit Integrations. Choose Personal Microsoft Accounts only. Select a platform. Web. Go to Bit Integrations dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. And paste it here. Now click on Register. Copy application ID. And paste it here. Go to Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Click Add. Copy value. And paste it here. Click Authorize. Successfully authorized. Click Next. Select your respective folder. This is required. Check Upload Files. Select Upload File and OK. You can also delete your files from WordPress by checking this box. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Let's submit a form. Choose your file. Click on Send Message. Let's check our OneDrive. As you can see, file successfully uploaded to OneDrive. Thanks for watching.